Kutoka hapa sasa tunafanya nini? What is the next thing?
Kutoka hapa
After fertilizer,
tutaanza program ya dawa.
Yes.
Tutapiga fungicide moja, insecticide moja na foliar fertilizer.
Hiyo umesema ni zitakuwa after every 14 days.
Yeah, itakuwa unarudia kila 14 days.
For how long? How many years?
Hiyo itakuwa all through kwa sababu it's a way of protecting the tree. Kwa sababu hutaki ipatwe na magonjwa alafu ama iathiriwe na wadudu. You just want to protect them. It is cheaper to protect than to cure a disease or a pest.
So another time of fruiting tutabadilisha hiyo spraying?
Yeah, tutabadilisha spraying. Wakati wa flowering and fruiting itakuwa sasa tunapiga frequently. Naweza kuwa like 1 week.
Na hiyo sio ni the same spray?
No, we have to interchange the molecules kwa sababu ya resistance ya magonjwa na pia wadudu. Yeah.
So basically
we will come up with a spraying program then.
Okay.
Yeah, but now we are just doing it to prevent diseases
from that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. What the other thing we are going to do is to spray some glyphosate around.
For nyasi.
Yeah, to control the grass.
That is so far so good. And intercropping?
Yeah, you can intercrop with beans until when the fruits start forming a canopy. Then you will not be able to plant
anything. Now vegetable?
You can do vegetables, you can do maize at this point.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So far wacha nijaribu vegetables, I see how far they will go.
Yeah.
But so far so good. At least nimeona drainage sio mbaya, even though retention iko very high.
Yeah, it's a good retention of water.
So it can last.
Much rain will cause water lodging.
Yeah. So this area, like apart from oranges, which other fruits?
You can do all the citrus can do well.
Citrus will do well here.
Yeah, we have like lemons. Passion fruit. Apples can do well.
Apples will do well.
Yeah. Yes, you can try like 2 or 3 avocados and also mangoes.
And mangoes.
Yeah.
I think I have two mango trees.
Yeah.
Nijaribu several has avocado. And then tuone even apples. I see what we can do.
Yeah.
And purple.
Yeah.
See what will come out of here.
Yeah, those can do well.
But mostly nikifanya kidogo that will be for subsistence peke yake, ni kula tu.
For subsistence.
Yes, enda nje.
But also it is good to start small and then you scale up with time when you see get some
good results. Utaona what. But cutting down trees over time itakuwa ni kazi sasa.
Itakuwa ni kazi.
Kama if they are not performing very well, kwanza kung'ang'ana kutoa mti to plant another one.
You can just, for the ones we are not sure whether they can do well in the area, you can just do like 2 trees for a trial. And once they do well,
you can scale up to the rest of the farm.
Yeah.
Okay, at least that's a good way of going through it. So at least hiyo section moja nimekwambia left it to fanya vegetables.
Yeah.
From mali kuna fertilizer up to hiyo manure mpaka hapa. Then this side ninataka kuweka I want to do some raised nurseries.
Yeah.
Like 2, 3 or 4.
Yeah.
Then we see how far it can go. Ndio maana hizo miti nilisema zikate.
Yeah.
See how far the outcome can be. Asante sana. I am very grateful for at least unachukuanga simu yangu hata kama ni saa ngapi.